What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to send or transfer cash from TapTap Send to bank account. So, if you're wondering, can you actually send to a bank account here using TapTap Send? Well, this one is actually pretty easy. So, if you're asking it directly speaking here, it's possible. You just need to provide the necessary details for it and choose the appropriate options. So first is first, I would highly recommend you to open up Google Play Store here. Make sure that TapTap Send is fully updated. Now, if it's not updated, it might cause some issues while doing the transaction. So that's why updating it to the latest version is really important. Let's go and click on open. Now here in TapTap Send, you can either continue with your Google account, sign in with your account, or log in into your account. But also you have the option here to specify how much you want to send and also which currency. So for example, we want to send 10 GBP, and it's going to show you how much you are going to send here. But if you want to continue, you can go and click on log in, sign up, and continue with Google. But once you're inside, it's going to require you to enter certain details, like for example, the details of the recipient, the bank account details, the bank number, and the necessary code for that specific bank. Now, once you provide all the details, including the payment details, so whichever payment detail or payment option that you want to use in here, you should be able to make the transaction. But to be speaking, you just need to follow the on-screen steps here, and you should be good. And that's about it. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.